It's not easy to go on the middle of darkness by looking the light switch from other side of darkness area. To avoid this situation, you need to install a three-way switch that also known as three-pole switch. This three-way switch is usually used to control one light bulb, or any lighting fixtures from two switches on different locations. It is a type of switch that have no on and off marking position in the toggle, because it can be either on and off the light bulb, depending on both three-way switch position. The three-way switch has 3 screw terminals connection with colors identification, like green color is for grounding connection, dark color is for common connection, and lighter color is for traveler's connection. Always remember that terminal colors of the three-way switch is not standardized, meaning that it can be different colors from the other type of three-way switch, like, some three-way switch have brass color on travelers and black color on common terminals. Other type of three-way switch has silver colors on travelers and bronze for the common terminals. But this grounding terminals was always green color on any types of three-way switch. Some three-way switch today have no screw terminals. It is only holes with printed markings for travelers and common connection, on where you can plug in the wires, but all of this have similar working principles and connections. You can use any continuity tester to find the common connection terminals and travelers terminals. The three-way switches are best installation for garage areas, any stairways, long hallways, large rooms, and any other places that needs 2 switches for controlling light bulbs. Generally, this three-way switch connections are more complicated than when you make a wiring of common single-pole switch connection. But you can observe, or study this animated diagrams on how the three-way switch connected and works. On this wiring diagram have 2 pieces of three-way switches in different location that can switch on and shut off the light bulbs. Normally, a new electrical installation must be done by a licensed electrician. But any additional wirings can be done also by yourself if you have a full knowledge to the electrical wirings. Always ask any help to capable electrician, if you have a doubt to your electrical wirings. Keep in mind that safety is always a priority when doing any electrical wirings. Switch off any electrical powers before you start anything on your electrical job. Use a voltage tester to confirm and test any wirings, switches, lightings or any electrical connections if no more existing power. Thank you for watching. I wish you to subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel, Knowledge Link Information.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started.